In today's workshop, this is the third of the Thrive and Resilience workshops that we have created. We are looking today at building on the models that you already have. So in the first workshop, we looked at mindsets, growth or fixed, and we looked at the P's mindset. Pilot participant, prisoner, protester, passenger. Who do you want to be, and how do you influence your mindset and that of other people? In the second exercise, we looked at the decision-making journey, from stimulant coming in to behaviour, action going out, what happens in the middle, and you created your own model. We also looked at your qualities, and I asked you to select some from that big long list, things that you think you stand for now, and futuristic things that you would like to aspire to having, and creating your qualities constellation to help guide you through life. One of many tools that you will use to guide you through life. Today I just want to have a look at a couple of other characteristics of people who have a Thrive mindset. And one of those things is to be able to anticipate future events and prepare for them. Now I'm going to use a really simple model: people, place and purpose. So I'm going to break this down, and I'm going to ask you to imagine a situation that you're going to be in the next 6 months. So for many of you, that will be going on to university, certainly leaving home at some point. So I want you to think about people. Anticipate that you're going to meet new people and what skills you will need to help you with that, so that you have conversation openers, that you have an interest in world events, and you can explain those in a way which is not going to offend people, but is able to articulate what you think. How do you do that? We have to plan, you have to train, you have to have thought about it before. So think about meeting new people, and some of the skills that you can start building now that will help you overcome that initial I'm anxious about meeting a whole load of new people. You will be more resilient for it. Place. I want you to think about the places that you're going to. Do some research, find out more about them. Because by doing that bit of training, that bit of homework, when you get there, you'll be more resilient. If you get a bit lost, you'll be able to find yourself because you've already planned ahead. Purpose. Think about what it is that you want to do, whether it's picking up a new hobby when you get to university, when you get your new job, what kind of aspects of that job is it that you're going to be particularly focused on. Think about your purpose beyond that into travelling or whatever it is. Because we have already thought about it, and this isn't precise, this isn't about being really precise, it's about very broad events that will inevitably happen. We will meet new people, we will go to a new place, and we will have a new and evolving purpose in life. If you want to thrive, you've had to think about those things. So in your journal now, you should have, under those 3 headings, some kind of expectation of where you're going and the kinds of things you're going to need to practice. Now, on a very basic level, that might just be over the next 3 months practicing cooking, so that when you get to your flat, you can actually cook some healthy food. That will make you more resilient. Keeping things tidy, learning how to do your own laundry. These are all tools in your life skills toolkit that build resilience. So today in our workshop we've looked at people, place and purpose, and how by looking ahead we can anticipate some of the events that are going to happen and start to prepare for them, so that when they do happen we've got an idea about how we want to respond. Having that kind of mindset allows us to thrive, and it builds our resilience. Those tiny little tracks in the forest become much clearer and easier to follow because we've done some training. I hope that you've enjoyed this session and the other sessions. Remember that there are some notes that go with this course, and if you drop me an email, I'll send them over to you. I like the metaphor of the sailor going out on a journey, and I think this hopefully will capture what we're trying to achieve with resilience. The sailor's going out to sail around the world, sail around the west coast, it doesn't matter. It would be naive to think that it's going to be fair weather and easy winds all the way. It would be reasonable to expect that a storm or bad weather is going to hit, and that the sailor should prepare for that by doing some training, by speaking to other people who have done it, and by taking some equipment and resources that will help. Life is just the same. To expect that it's always going to be easy sailing would be naive. Good luck, folks. Enjoy the rest of the summer, and whatever you're doing, wherever you're going, remember you've got choices and you've got a model and a method now to think about. But this is one small part of a big topic. So please keep learning and keep building your Thrive mindset. Okay, thanks very much. Bye now.